Going for a cruise today. Oh look, it's Dirtymikemoto. Dirtymikemoto! Let's see if this starts. We're good. The driving skills of Dirtymikemoto. What? You want to go to the bar? Yeah. This gravel and my motorcycle, they don't agree very well. We'll take a little pop. Okie doke. Whew.
It doesn't like to start sometimes.
So pretty. Yeah, let's hope it does. Look at that bad boy. What? Yeah. That tractor went in the pond. Wasn't my fault. My grandpa drove it many years ago. We've had that tractor for 20 years, and at one point, my grandpa drove it into the pond. Alrighty then. I don't know how to lift that crap back there. Oh. Okay, I lied. I know how to lift that crap up there. It's a stick shift tractor. It's got 12 gears. Look how fast we're going. Yeehaw! It's got digital stuff down here. See if I can set it to miles per hour. Boop. 2.1 miles an hour. Cruising. We got a throttle here, vroom, and a throttle down there. If we want to, we can disattach the brakes so that you can only brake on the right or only brake on the left. Pretty fancy. 12-speed transmission, 8 in reverse. So if I'm in reverse, I look on the left. If I'm in forward, I look on the right. This controls that sticky thing up there. Oh, shoot. Oh dear. What have I done? There we go. Let's go into the field. Let's start 7th. It's kind of weird starting in 7th gear. We're hauling a little bit too fast. This thing is so gosh darn slow. Good God. This is kind of depressing. It's actually really depressing. Oh shoot, there's a big bump. We're racing. We're racing. I think I'm winning. Pretty close though. I don't know whose great idea this was. Dude, we're going 13 miles an hour. I don't know whose idea this was. Oh boy. He's a little faster than I am. What? Want to race, brother? What? You want to race? Alright, you ready? Okay. I'll be like 3, 2, 1, go, okay? 3, 2, 1. That was the most boring race I've ever seen in my life. Here we go. We're catching up. What are we at? We're at 12 mile an hour, 13 mile an hour. Huh. 14 miles an hour. Oh my God, 15 miles an hour. 15 miles an hour. Oh my God. This is too bumpy. You guys probably can't see anything. 15. Looks like we're not getting any faster than 15 mile an hour. All right, I'm gonna make this big sweeping turn now. All right, let's head back. I'm tired of this tractor. 16 miles an hour! 16 miles an hour! Oh my God! Oh my God! Mike was hauling butt. Whew. That kind of scared me. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the tractor away. That was not very exciting whatsoever. When I reached 16 mile an hour, that was definitely the high point of perhaps my life. Okay. So all this grass here on the farm, I have to mow everything here. If I ever get like ridiculously bored, oh God! If I ever get like ridiculously bored, like it has to be an extreme point of boredom, I might throw on this helmet and make a video while I mow. And you guys don't have to watch it. I actually don't really want you to watch it if I make that video, if I get to that point in my life. But if you do watch it, kudos to you, because that's a pretty serious time investment for really no return at all. Let's put this away like a cool dude. We're gonna swing her around. This is what we do out here in the country. We drive T-Raptors for fun. I'm actually gonna leave it there, throw it in reverse. My God, we're going 1.6 miles an hour. 1.6 miles an hour. Bang, shift it. Yeah. Cool, all right. Okay, believe that's it. Oh, good golly. Oh, I gotta put the theft down. Put that lever. Okay, and pull this lever. Cool. It's got a speedo on that tractor. I hit a top speed of 16 miles an hour.
That's great.